Hello, Brent Sermon here, Midlands Home Inspections. Performing a home inspection out here in Omaha, Nebraska today. I want to point out this house here, a little issue we found. The house is sitting here at a T intersection, newer driveway, pulled up there. Big time indication that we got a little issue with street creep. And as you come out here into the garage area, we'll point this out to you. Obviously some cracking along foundation areas. You can kind of see that daylight popping through, so we got some wider cracks that have been caulked and sealed up. Coming back through. Pad of the garage of the floor here is moved away from the foundation here. And as we work our way back, we got some more indications up here of some shifting through the foundation. We got some more cracking back here as well. Then down here along the very bottom, we got that movement of that rear foundation wall. Really hard to tell, but we're about a ½ inch push back here in that corner. So definitely we'll be recommending a foundation company come out here, further evaluate and get this corrected for the buyers. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.